pre-workouts kicking in. Let's go!
I'd rather be smoking weed whenever we breathe. Every time you kiss.
Baby, it is day 5 or 6 of this damn storm. I ain't been on here all week because it's still snowy outside. Today's Friday, sorry, happy Friday, y'all. I am not working today because I'd originally taken off for today. And I decided to just keep my day off. I'm doing some certifications or whatever so I can add some stuff to my resume. So that's actually what I'm doing now. Is to sign up for this OSHA class. But I just want to check in with y'all. I don't have nothing going on. I need to be straightening up this house. I'm not. I'm about to sit here and edit. I just went to the store. I haven't had to drive all week because my boo was taking me to work or whatever. Got a little spoiled with that. Then yesterday when I started my car up again, it wouldn't start because one of the leads that was attached to my battery was loose. So I had to get it jump off. I had to go get a lead, get it replaced, like all the things. It was nighttime at that. So I'm listening to Miss Jemima. Miss Jemima been on it, baby. She been uploading videos, I feel like, every freaking day. I want to be like her when I grow up. Okay, I'm just about to sit here and edit. Not too much going on, to be honest with you, because it's crazy outside. I have a cousin that's in town from St. Louis, like my mom's cousin or something or another. She's here and my mom introduced us. My mom's cousins, my mom's uncle's cousin, uncle's daughter. It's my mom's uncle's daughter. IDK. All I know is she is here from St. Louis visiting her dad because he's in the hospital. And I told her we can meet. She want to meet and have a drink or whatever. So I'm going to find somewhere for us to go have a drink. Like I be going somewhere. Plus I don't even know what's open. But anywho, I was just checking in with y'all. Didn't want too much of nothing. And I guess I'll catch you with y'all later. Yeah, I didn't want too much of nothing. Baby, day 952 of it being snow outside, baby. I'm trying to go to the gym, y'all. I'm trying to go to the gym. I just took my pre-workout, so that means we gotta get the up out of here, okay? I gotta put some moisturizer on my face though because it's brick outside. I just washed my face and whatnot.
Coloring.
It's brick outside. Hold please. I'm about to put some moisturizer on my face because I just washed it. I'm gonna show y'all my gym fit in a minute. Phone is charging up, watch is charging up. Cause why I didn't do that beforehand, I don't know, because I really didn't commit to going this morning. But I'm committed, I'm there, I'm focused. Plus guess what? Pre-workout has been taken. So we gotta go. I'm gonna spray this hydrating mist on my face. That's hyaluronic acid. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Slick kind of went outside after I washed my face. And literally cold as fuck out there. It's brick outside. It's brick outside. There's a wind chill. All the things. But guess what? I'm sorry, it looks so yellow. Guess what? We're going to the gym. We haven't been all freaking week. We gotta go. Even if we are just on the treadmill. So I need to get I need to put the lip mask on my lip because girl, when I say y'all it's brick outside, it's brick outside. Let me show y'all my little two-piece situation. Y'all done seen it before, but since I never wore it, Sonny's on the tube. We're gonna leave it there. This is my fit. I'm gonna step back so y'all can see. This is my bougie hippie two-piece set that I am finally looking like yes and, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna wear this necessarily to work out. I'm just going to wear it to work out, but I'm gonna have my t-shirt over it. But this is the two-piece royal blue joint. Remember I got the blue and then I got the green. I don't even think they sell this stuff anymore, but y'all can see she's going down. She's going down. She's going down. So the classes at the gym don't start back until Monday due to the weather. So I'm gonna go in there. We're gonna do treadmill. I always do treadmill first. Then we're gonna do Stairmaster if I feel like it, to be honest with you, because I don't feel like it. Then we're going to do, I may do some weights while I'm there, but we may just come back and do a workout with Juice and Toya on the Tizu for YouTube. But yeah, this ain't really like high impact type of, you know what I'm saying? If I was like, I can run in it, but this is about it. But yeah, my car is warming up, and I'm gonna go ahead and get my water ready. I'm gonna use we're using this. That light I got from Home Depot, fire. Did I show y'all that? Hell no, that's on TikTok. Follow your girl on TikTok. All right, I'll see y'all in the car. Yeah. It's straight ice. My car all the way at the end of the freaking driveway. Okay, y'all. Y'all, it's so freaking cold out here. I can't believe I'm going to the gym in this weather. And these tires ain't even freaking old. That's what's pissing me off. I just bought these tires like last summer. Remember when I went to Sam's and got these tires? That's what's pissing me off about that. Meanwhile, I done took a pre-workout and I gotta go to the gym. Well, we got our headphones, we got our water, we got our watch. The most important thing, we have our watch. So we're gonna go up here. I was gonna try to upload that vlog either yesterday or today. I think I'm gonna try to do the vlog for, and then they flying down this damn street. It don't make sense. But we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna do this workout, and then we're gonna try to. I'm gonna stop by Walmart to return my niece stuff or exchange it for another item, because this particular item, they said that it was missing some pieces or whatever. So it's going back to the store. And then I bought her these house shoes when in fact she needs a bigger size. So I gotta figure that out. And yeah. So we're gonna do that when we leave the gym. But I do wanna do a weight workout. I like doing the weight workouts with Juice and Toya, so I'm more than likely gonna just do that at the house. All the things. But okay, I'll catch you with y'all once I get there. The house is so freaking cold. The wind chill is so freaking cold this morning. It's showing to be 19, feels like 7. Like the girl say on TikTok, what do you mean it feels like 7? That means it's 7 degrees. Be for real. So, but there is a crazy wind chill this morning. Like the wind chill is crazy. I do have my bigger coat in the back. If y'all can't see that, y'all always see the crap in the back seat. I should do better. I did get all the stuff out of my car, actually. And he is flying. Lord, I love having a paid off car. I love having a paid off car. I appreciate my car so much. I gotta get this temperature gauge thing fixed, and that's it. That's it. Which I'm gonna ask D if he can fix that. I gotta get that fixed, and I gotta get that motor. Oh, I do not gotta get that motor thing for my windshield wiper fluid. So I do gotta get that fixed too. Other than that, baby, we doing good. We doing real good. My car got 170,000 miles on it, and baby, Jesus get me there every step of the way. We love a paid off car. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. The next car, I wish I can I hope and pray that I can just put the biggest down payment on to where I only pay for it for 2 years. Cause who wants a car now? Oh, okay. I'll wait. In this crazy weather, I can't believe I'm headed to the gym, but I am. I ain't go straight. I gotta get behind this car. Pre-workout's kicking in. Let's go! Cause I'm gonna tell you something.
Ray got the estimate with me for about 10 minutes. I love reupholstering and everything. That's just what I love to do. You guys from this place, your Spring, bless you. For those that want old antiques and a lot of her old stuff, like I'm looking at this box and I said, help Michelle, and I had a coat. Made it worse. What's up, Sean Gray? Now, if you ever want to hear out of my this coat, I'm going down memory lane for a lot of people. Station at the corner. He said, every time I see you, what you gonna do is pull up and we gonna fill it up and you're gonna be on your way. This coat was the coat that I was going to court fighting for a custody case concerning my 2 children. This coat get here. Now people are crying. How did the coat see?
Hey y'all.
Hey.
I gotta go to the car and get my hair tied real quick. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm gonna try to pop y'all up like right there. Look, I don't even think I vlogged this week. I don't think. Yeah. Let's get this week started, baby.
6, 7, 8, 9, I'm a real fly bitch, you a coach hoe. I'm a real vibe bitch, every post hoe. She was talking on the net, she wanna post go. I got a swipe face, you a ghost hoe. You a don't you stand on the post hoe.
Give 2 more, get ready. Got your girls. Good form, guys. Good form. All the way up, all the way down. 2, 3, curl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 6. Let's start over. 15 more. Come on, keep up. Let's start over. Take a rest for 20. Chairs rest for 20. 1, 2, 3, push. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Settle down. Good job, one time, done it right. One time. This out, it back then. 1503.
Princess. Wake up, A cup, get your tits up in my makeup, face fuck, get your bake